It's not gonna look as good as we see it though.
I know, but it's the best we could do, right, Mommy?
Yeah. I mean, I feel like New York's fireworks are way better because
Yeah.
they always have it like
Yeah.
in one place.
But
and
guys,
close to
what's
us.
up, guys? But yeah, I just want to say
No, stand over there.
we're looking at the fireworks. Look over there, guys.
That's so cool.
Get ready. Yo, that was so
That
cool,
is
guys.
so cool.
We're looking at fireworks all the way over there. People are sending them from there.
Come guys, let's stand over here.
But yeah, guys, I just want to say
These are colorful.
happy 4th of July.
Go stand over there. You can stand over there.
people.
Over here?
Yeah. Go, Kalo. You're gonna be close.
Happy 4th of July, people. This is amazing. And we all love having
Kelly.
4th of July and spending time.
Kitty,
Billy? Yes?
come here.
Somebody come closer over here.
This is what we have advanced camera for. Advanced cell phones. I think not.
Whoa! Yo,
It was fireworks over there. Hold on, Mommy.
Killian.
there
Killy.
and there.
And there.
This is so cool, guys. This is way better than chilling in the pool. Way better. Okay. I love the pool. Wait. There's one there. See it going up?
Killian, stop taking stuff that doesn't belong to you.
I can use this to for wheels.
No.